we've got a couple of different lines to talk about. And any kind of line, a line is just made up of points, just a bunch of different points really close together. And we can name a line by any of the 2 points on the line or with a lowercase script letter. So we've got 2 points shown on this example, so I can name this line by the name of those points. And let's just say that they are A and B. So I can call this line AB. I can write it AB and put a little line symbol above that. Remember with the arrows. I didn't write this on your notes, but lines extend indefinitely in both directions, and that's why they have arrows on the end, because it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. We can also, it says or with a lowercase script. So I can write this as a lowercase t, and that would also be named line T. So I could say, come here and say line T. All right, we have our line segments, and these are the what we call the measurable parts of a line. So our lines go on and on and on and on forever, but generally we like to talk about our line segments because those are the pieces that we can pull out of that line and measure. So we want to name our line segments by the endpoints. So if this endpoint was C and this endpoint was D, then I would use those 2 letters. I could say line CD. I could also use CD and put just a straight line without the arrows on top of that. All right, finally we have array. And rays are going to extend indefinitely in one direction. So our lines go in both directions. Our rays going to have one endpoint and go on forever in the other direction. So we're going to name array by the endpoint and any other point on the array. Doesn't matter where that other point is, we can use it. But we got to use this endpoint. So if this is E and this is F, I'm going to start there. And so I can say ray EF. I can also just abbreviate that with EF and then put a little ray above those letters.